Original video comes to you by way of cameras everywhere.
I'm telling him, let me see your hands, let me see your hands, let me see your hands.
My head?
He wasn't listening.
No, it ain't.
He got the, like this right here,
You grabbed me,
and we went on to the ground.
you bust my head down
That's right.
on the cement. You bust my forehead.
Yeah, your head did hit the cement.
Damn right, because you bust me down on the cement.
Where's the complainant?
Are you ready?
Shortly after 5 p.m. on July 26, 2021, police officer David Lance Dukes stomps on Clarence Gaillard's head. The cop ends up getting fired and arrested, and Clarence ends up with a $650,000 lawsuit paid for by the constituents. And here's your video, folks.
Hey, let me see your hands. Berg, get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground right here. Get on the ground. You, burgundy shirt, get on the ground. Over here. On the ground. On the ground. Get on the ground. Do you not listen? Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. There's a gun behind me. There's a gun, I believe, behind me.
I ain't got no gun, nothing.
Put your hands behind your back. Is there a gun back there?
Ain't no gun.
By that truck.
Ain't no gun.
You're not listening, dude. Bro, you got a gun on you, man?
No, I ain't got no gun.
Right,
I don't
I'm just
own
asking.
no gun. I don't
Turn
own
back over. Paul, do you watch him say? He had something.
I ain't own no gun.
The door's unlocked, it's not always shut.
No, he was right here. Watch him. Go watch him. There it is.
I don't own no gun.
All right, that's what he had. All right, who's the complainant? All right, get him up.
Put your leg up.
The first thing I want to say to everyone watching is it's sad that we have to be here again. This is not the first time we've had what I would deem a critical incident here in the Orangeburg community involving the Orangeburg Department of Public Safety. As many of you may remember, just a couple of years back we dealt with the travesty that involved Orangeburg native and completely innocent young man by the name of Demetrius Jameson, who was effectively mistreated, framed, spent 4 months in jail as an innocent man. And inside the agency, there were efforts to provide mistruths, lie about what really happened, and ensure that justice was not served. And after a lot of work, justice was served in that case. And it's sad that we have to be here again so soon, as though people did not learn a lesson the last time.
And folks, this is not the first time Orangeburg, South Carolina police officer David Dukes has been in trouble. According to information from the South Carolina Criminal Justice Academy, Dukes was hired by the Calhoun County Sheriff's Office in 2012, but was removed because he couldn't pass the mandatory academy test. 1 year later, he rejoined the Calhoun County Sheriff's Department and worked in the K-9 unit. Supervisor Adam Clayton wrote a negative review of then Deputy David Lance Dukes, saying that Deputy Dukes is creating a hostile work environment. Calhoun County Deputy Chief Matt Threntham called Dukes' attitude destructive and offensive. Chief Threntham had to personally reprimand him 6 times before finally firing Dukes from the Calhoun County Sheriff's Office. And this is why it's a bad idea to hire bad cops that come from other departments. Keep watching, folks.
You know, I think it's very clear. I mean, this is the one of the clearest cases of excessive use of force.
25 city, got one tank.
Alright, put your leg that way so you can stand up.
Alright, listen, I'm about to help you. Hold on. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Yep.
Listen.
Yep, they slammed my head
Listen.
down on the cement. Yep.
Go back inside. Go back in the house. Go back in the house. Ain't nobody talking to you.
I got head drummer.
Go back in the house.
Yeah. Y'all bust my head down. Yeah, I've been in an accident. Yeah, y'all bust my head down. You threw me down.
I sure did. You wasn't listening.
Yeah. No, it ain't. You ain't to throw me down like that. I'm disability.
Okay.
I got head problems.
And what you see is Mr. Clarence Gaillard on his hands and knees, unarmed, looking down, trying to get on the pavement in the prone position like DeMario was, which you'll see later. And what Officer David Dukes does is stomp on the back of his head.
Yep, you threw me down. Yep, you threw me down. You threw me down. Yep, you bust my head down on the cement. Yep, you bust my head.
All right, let me tell you what happened.
His forehead.
You bust my head down on the cement.
He was in front of the car when I came up. And he was walking like this. And I thought it was a gun at first. I said, drop the gun, drop the gun, drop the gun, drop the gun. Had him at gunpoint. And he's over here doing something like this.
You slammed my head. You slammed my head.
What he was doing is
down
putting
in
this up behind the
cement.
tire. So he comes over right here. He got his hands in his pockets. I'm telling him, let me see your hands, let me see your hands, let me see your
Why you
hands.
bust my head then?
He wasn't listening.
No, it ain't.
He got the, like this right here,
You grabbed me.
and we went on to the
And
ground.
then you bust my head down
That's what
on the cement. You bust my forehead.
Yeah, your head did hit the cement.
Damn right, cause you bust me down on the cement.
Where's the complainant?
You bust my head down on the cement.
Right here?
You bust my head. You bust my head.
Where's the complainant?
Bust my head down.
We're trying to get the name of the complainant.
You
So,
bust my head. You bust my head down on the cement. If you ain't nobody, you got no. You bust my head down. Hell no. Hey, yeah, bro. I'm gonna get these cigarettes in with you. In this chain. You might be able to beat on. Then we had Ain't nobody had no gun. I live right there. Ain't nobody had no gun. I ain't got no more for me. I ain't got nothing in me.
Putting your change right in your pocket.
Damn right. You slam my head down. Hold on. Okay. Yeah.
What are we doing? I guess Sam was going to check him out.
There ain't nothing over here wanting to press charges on.
Who called?
I'm not sure.
Take him out of cuffs right now. I mean, because that's what we
You
got.
have to use it for us.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Yeah.
Slam my head down.
Dude, I didn't know what his
You
intention
use
was.
it for us. You need to have a look at the camera.
All right.
The officer did wrong. Slam my head down. Bust my forehead. Damn right. You gonna pay me for that.
Mayor, I'm going to take that into evidence of what he had.
What?
Well, I mean, that's the reasons I did what I did. You know what I'm saying? That's where I'm coming from.
No gun or nothing.
Because when he was behind the truck, I couldn't see what he was doing. And I didn't know where.
There ain't nothing there.
I'm going to talk about that a little bit. Now, you saw Officer Dukes put something on the car. It was this item. Okay? It was this. And as you can see, even here today, Mr. Gaillard has a cane. Okay? Some years ago, Mr. Gaillard was riding his bicycle and got run over by a car. And as a result of that, he had to have some pretty serious surgery. And that included putting rods and pins in his leg, his knee, and his hip. It's one reason why he wasn't able just to drop to the ground like DeMaurian did.
Where that went? If it was still in his
Those
pockets when he come around that car with his hands in his pockets.
These dogs officer. No.
on camera.
Yeah, a
All
dog
right, that's
stick.
fine.
A dog stick.
So he can come out of cuffs?
Yes, take him out of handcuffs.
Yeah, he can come out. Oh, Lord.
You mind looking? Hi. Good, how are you? What's going on?
Officer slammed my forehead down in the cement.
Okay.
In the wrong place.
Losing consciousness?
Yeah. Listen.
Can I get a card from you?
I don't have one now. We
Okay,
don't have
what's your
they
badge
don't give us cards.
Okay, what's your badge number?
1059.
Let me see if I can get my phone. Hold on.
Hold on, we have cards.
I get headache.
Alright, it's in the blood thinner? Okay.
Thank
Like
you.
go to the hospital?
Yeah.
Alright. Call me.
Brandon, he can get his stuff off the car.
Dude, will you say badge number?
1059.
This is bigger at this point, Officer David Dukes stomping on Mr. Gaillard. What is it that's going on in the Department of Public Safety that an officer who knows people are wearing body cameras, who knows he's not the only one out there, is so confident and so comfortable so as to pick his foot up and stomp on another man's head and not care?
Understanding the video, I think we mentioned stomp. How high would the foot have been up?
You know, I don't. I'm not in a position to.
I feel like the captain.
I appreciate your theatrics. I'm not in a position to discuss how high.
Okay, can we?
I don't have Mr. Gaillard's measurements. I don't have. You know, the scene was not processed by a crime scene. Obviously, we were notified a few days after the fact. So, you know, I don't have the dimensions of Mr. Gaillard's arms.
And I'm not trying to hold it. I'm just trying to make sure we get a perception of it. When the was happening, was the gun drawn facing up or the gun down? Or do you know?
I don't have the ability to answer that. I know that in viewing it from different angles, you know, Officer Dukes' body camera video his position was positioned in his chest area.
Yes, sir.
So you're not going to see everything, and the other body cameras were going to, you know, capture the incident. Will capture kind of the back of Officer Dukes. So I don't feel I can truly answer that.
And that is fair. The spatial, we're going to have to review all of the videos because
Yes,
we're going to show different things. And so you would agree with me that it's really hard to make a proper determination from one video. We'll have to look at everything because of the spatial elements.
Yes, sir, that's accurate.
Is that a fair statement? That
Yes, sir.
one video may look like he's Pele kicking a field goal. That was a Pele kicking a penalty shot. That was really bad.
That was bad.
And, yeah, that was really bad. And another could just look as though somebody's trying to control the scene and place a foot down. Can you agree with me there? Like different videos could show it in different ways?
I think in the general sense of answering your question that different videos can capture different angles and maybe lead to different interpretations. But in this case, we felt that the footage that we reviewed clearly showed Officer Dukes placing his foot on the back of Mr. Gaillard, and the word again, stomping, in a forceful nature, causing Mr. Gaillard's head to strike the concrete and bounce back up. So when we made the decision to charge, we weren't dealing with head injuries. I'm a police officer, not a doctor. So we had to be charged with what we felt was the most applicable statute that fit the actions that we witnessed on the video.
Alright folks, here's the update and our final thoughts. After the disturbing incident caught on body camera footage, Officer David Dukes was terminated as a cop and is currently facing a felony criminal indictment. After the video showed him using excessive force against 58-year-old and disabled Clarence Gaillard. Officer David Dukes stomped on the back of Gaillard's head because he couldn't get down quick enough because of his disability. According to the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division, Dukes is now facing first-degree assault and battery charges. The incident was caught on body-worn camera and occurred just after 5 p.m. on July 26, 2021 at the Colleton Village Townhomes. Gaillard and his cousin were walking home and Gaillard was holding a piece of wood wrapped in duct tape to keep stray dogs away when he went on walks. And the police were responding to a 911 call reporting a man with a gun banging on a townhouse door when the violent altercation took place. Dukes was then taken into custody and subsequently booked into Orangeburg County Detention Center, but was later released on a $10,000 bond, and if convicted, he could face up to 10 years in prison. The victim, Clarence Gaillard, endured a head injury that was still noticeable more than a week later. And as of November of 2021, Gaillard won a lawsuit settlement of $650,000 from the city of Orangeburg. That should really piss off the people of Orangeburg, folks, knowing that when cops do this type of stuff, the money comes from the constituents. The culture of policing has become extremely brutal and the people are not getting what they paid for. We just gave you guys the update of the lawsuit, but there is still no update regarding David Lance Dukes and his criminal charge. The only thing we found was on Reddit, and it reads, "I can't find anything about what is happening in the case against former Orangeburg officer David Lance Dukes. Does anyone have a progress report? We need to make sure that this case doesn't die down or get swept under the rug. We need to make sure that David Lance Dukes is held accountable. If you guys have any updates regarding this incident, please let us know immediately so we can give everyone else an update." And that's going to do it for today's video, folks. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. We will keep you updated as soon as we find out more. All right, folks, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.